Hello all. Today I'm going to show you how to create an account in Tinkercad and why we need Tinkercad. Tinkercad we use for creating circuit simulators. So we are working on Arduinos now. So I wanted to create this Arduino circuit using Tinkercad, and also there are block coding in Tinkercad which I wanted to use for the circuit that I'm creating. So I have created a personal account using username and password. There are a lot of options to create an account, so you can try whatever options you like. And then I go to let me join. So I'm logging in now and I will show you how to create the circuit. So when you come here, you in the home page you will see something like this, and what you need is select design and then click on create and click on circuit. So this will bring up a plain screen here and the basic components here. So the component I wanted is Arduino board and a breadboard and an LED. So I'm going to try first the LED turn on and off every 1 second. So this is cathode and this is anode. So I'm connecting the cathode to ground and changing the color to black, and connecting anode to 13 and changing this color to red. And let me go to the code. Click on code here. You will see the default code. So the default code, I'm going to put it on the trash, and I'm going to the control and taking a forever loop, and output I'm setting the pin 13 high first, and then going back to control, waiting for 1 second, then go back to output, set the pin 13 to low, which means turning off 13 pin, and then go to control and add a wait. So let me run the simulator to check whether this LED works or not. So the LED is working. So stopping that LED, and you can change the name Blink Tinker, and then I'm downloading the code. So the code is here now. I have already installed Arduino in my machine, so I'm going to open Blink Tinker. The name is not changed, so probably this is the one. So it's opening in Arduino now. So I'm saying okay for this, and the code is here. Thanks for watching.